Yeah, guys, last week I made a video. I made a video about how to save private videos on TikTok. There are some videos on TikTok that when you want to save them, you find it difficult to save. And then I made a video about that update. After I made that video, a friend of mine entered my DM. I was like, why do I need to be saving people's video with their handles? You know, when you save people's video like the way I explained it that last time, there's no way their handle we have to show. So this guy was like, I don't need to be going through all those stress to save videos. So he gave me this app. He gave me this app that all I just need, even though there's no save button, all I just need to do is copy the link and then just paste it. Even if it is Instagram link, Facebook link, YouTube link, TikTok link, all I just need to do is copy the link and just paste it on that app. And then immediately, the video will save on your phone. Like, I tried it. I was very shocked because I've never seen that type of app before in my life. I've checked everywhere. I've never seen that type of app. Even InstaSave, you have to watch ads before they allow you to save video. Even TikTok, you can't save all videos on TikTok. But you see this app that I'm about to talk. Oh, Jesus. The app is superb. The name of the app is Black O. Black O. All you just need to do is copy the link and then just paste it there. Let me put you guys through. Like, let me do an example for you guys how to operate on the app. First of all, download Black O. Then you go to your TikTok. Go to your TikTok, copy any video link and then paste it. Immediately you paste it, it will load and then immediately you see the video on your phone. No stress at all. Even if it is Instagram video you want to download, just copy the link, paste it there immediately, no time wasting. Do you now know the sweetest thing about this app? This app, if you save anybody's video, if you save anybody's video on TikTok, their handle will show on that video. But you see this app, once you copy the link and paste it on the app, their handle is not going to show. Like, handle is not going to show, guys. This is a sweet update. Download Black O. If you find this video helpful, make sure you click on the like button and share this video to help someone. Click on the like button, share this video to help someone. And make sure you're following us for more tips like this. I go by the name DJ Yomsi. Peace out.